Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the touchscreen is actually enabled and visible to Windows. Open Settings and the Devices or Pen and Windows Ink area, then make sure Touch is turned on. Once done, open Device Manager and look for HID-compliant touchscreen. If it's missing or disabled, enable it immediately. This is the fastest fix. Also plug the laptop into power and temporarily disconnect external mice or USB hubs to prevent input conflicts, because peripherals can mask a touch device. Next, focus on the software that makes touch work, drivers and calibration. Use Device Manager or Dell Support Assist to update or roll back the HID touch driver. If Windows Update lists a driver, install it and reboot. Then calibrate Touch and Control Panel under Tablet PC settings so the cursor aligns with your finger. This corrects drift or offset. Make sure BIOS hasn't disabled the touch controller and install any pending Windows updates, because firmware and OS patches often resolve input bugs. Finally, verify touch across multiple surfaces. Test the lock screen, edge, and a drawing app to confirm consistent response. If accuracy or accidental touches persist, tweak sensitivity or palm rejection settings. In some models, you can update touchscreen firmware through Dell's support downloads. If it still fails, run the Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter or Open Device Manager and disable, then re-enable the HID-compliant touchscreen. This often resets the controller. One key tip: boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is interfering.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.